Hey there, it's Richard Butler, and let me tell you, I love AI tools that can help me speed up my whole workflow and process. Today I'm reviewing a piece of software called Enji, or NG, depending how you actually pronounce it. It's E-N-J-I. Now, pronunciation apart, let's talk about what this software does. Well, it's a marketing software that allows you to schedule, create and schedule posts to LinkedIn and to Facebook and other social medias. Now, you're probably saying to me, Richard, I mean, we've seen these, I've used these. Why do I need this if I have ChatGPT? Well, here's the thing. A lot of the software that I've used is specifically for LinkedIn, and I found this one which actually created content for Facebook, and I really liked it. Now, that's great, but your question still remains. Why can't I just use ChatGPT? Well, one of the key things that this software does, and I haven't seen it in too many software applications, is that it will actually learn your voice. So what do? You go in here to Brand Guide, and down here you have your voice. Now, I've already set mine up, but what you would do is you would click here and you would say, summarize your voice. And it asks you to write 1 to 3 paragraphs of text. Now, you need to write this as you, because if you put in something that you wrote using ChatGPT, the problem is it's not going to sound like you because it's ChatGPT. So my voice comes out is experienced and encouraging. And I understand educators, I understand traditional teaching, the benefits of niche instruction. It's supportive and motivating, conveying empathy. And it's relatable and inspiring. Now, I mainly got this for the Facebook end of things, but it works really well for what I want to post on LinkedIn as well. So let's have a look at how this actually works. You go into copywriting, I'll just close that off, and I would go into the plus here, and then I can do an Instagram caption, a Twitter post, I refuse to call it X, TikTok caption, LinkedIn post, or Facebook post. So let me go to Facebook post. And what do I want to write here? Well, I want to talk about AI and how useful it can be. And here what I do is I put in additional details, and then I can put in the call to action. Now, then what I do is I click here and I say, what type of content do I want? Do I want long? Do I want average or short? I'll get rid of the emojis because I don't like emojis here. And then I can say, draft it for me. Now what you'll see is, and sometimes I've just found this, that sometimes the content, even though I said long, it didn't come out long. It came out kind of just short. And here it comes up and it says, let's talk about how specific AI tools can be game changers. AI can learn your voice, etc. Now, like everything, depending on the input that you put in, will depend on the output that you get. Now I can go and I can say write a new draft, and I might say emphasize 3 qualities of AI. And let's just have a look and see what this does now. Now see there, it's actually gone and it's actually created a longer post. Okay, let me just go in, write a new draft, emphasize that this is not stealing content. So now I've just put in something extra. I say draft it for me, and we'll see what comes up. Okay, and again, as I say, this is a very good starting point, because now I can draft this out. I mean, I found it hard to look at a blank piece of paper and actually come up with something to write. I know some people love doing that, but for me, if I can get that head start, that's what it's all about. So here I go to schedule post, and then it allows me to schedule this on any of my pages. So I might say I want to put this in on my AI or teaching. I will put in a time and date, let's say the 7th there, and then that's it. Now, this goes into my continue to work on, and then what I can do is I can actually just click on this and say approve for publish. So you always get that chance to go in and approve it for publish. Now this is just one of the things that this software can do. If I go into calendar, it shows me what I have ready to post. It also shows me things that I need to be doing to keep my marketing strategies going. So if I go into strategy here, I've set this up because when you initially go in, you have to set up your goals, etc. So I might say increase sales is my strategy. And it says objectives for this goal: start email marketing, have better messaging. So if I go in here, it says tasks, create a brand voice guide. And it gives me the information here that I need. Then I can go back in here. It says do customer research. Okay. And it gives me some ideas for that. So it's kind of helping you build out your strategy. Again, for me, what is the most important is that the actual copywriter is really, really good. Now, I've been talking with the support, very, very good support. Shout out to you guys there, Taylor. And it's very, very, they have very grand ideas for what they want to do and what they will be doing. I can go into performance, they've told me will improve, but at the moment you have to add in your own KPIs there and your own numbers. But still, that's a good exercise to keep doing that every month. We have a media kit here where you can actually set up your own media kit, and they talk a little bit about that. Your brand assets, which would be like your logos, etc. And if you have a team, you could actually invite team members to there, and you can give them different access as well. So this software for me has been really helpful. I mean, I've started to use it over the last week or so, and I'm posting and I'm automating, and I feel that it is definitely speaking a lot like me when I actually create some content. So if you are interested in this, if you're interested in really cutting down your timers and your workflow, I would grab this. At the moment, 1st of February, it is actually on AppSumo. It's going to be there for a couple of weeks, I've been told, but they could pull it at any time if they decide they have enough of a user base now. But I would actually jump on this. And as I say, this is only going to get better and better. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Do use my link. It's in the description. And do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you in the next review.